Hey guys, Mater. Um, this is a. Yep, trying to go where y'all can see me. Um, this little drill press I picked up yesterday. One of the things I did get. Trying to get the camera set up where y'all can see a lot better. I don't have it. So I changed things up here in the garage. It's kind of difficult for y'all to see what I'm doing. But anyways, I'll just leave it like that. But anyways, picked this up yesterday. Got it for free. Don't know if it works or not. That's why I've got it. I'm going to fix it, check it out. So I haven't plugged it in. I just got it in out here to the garage. And my neighbor would have to do all that. Hang on. Alright, sorry about that. Neighbor's out there with his leaf blower. But anyways, the only thing I had done while I was on pause was I just had to, I was trying to check out the table and everything. Show y'all, trying to get where y'all can see it. That way I can see the. Anyways, this table, it's right here. I can't get this to turn, and the only thing I've done, there we go. All I did was added some PB Blaster on there, and yeah, it worked. That got it where it's not tight anymore. The PB Blaster must have got in there and loosened it up. Yep, that's working good now. So let me see if I can get this. Okay, that moves up and down. Okay, good. So I know that works. Okay, now let me grab a rag. So like I said, I don't know the condition or anything of this. I do know that that does go up and down. The spindle and all, it does turn. I don't know if the motor itself is any good or not. It's 110 amp or 110 volt. It's a 2.3 amp motor. So I don't know if there's anything wrong with the motor. So if I plug it in, hopefully I don't blow myself up. I know I didn't get my life insurance updated. But, and trying to see on here, okay, that's in the off position. Let's plug it in. See what happens. Here goes nothing. Hey, it turns. All right. Let me close the lid. All right. Hey, what do you know? I got me a nice little, small little, made in China drill press. It works. I had no idea if this thing was going to work or not. Been sitting outside. So, it says manufacture date 1996. So this thing's 25 years old. So, ain't not bad for 25 years old and everything. Hey, I call this a little win. I mean, I don't know about y'all, but hey, for being free, I mean, I know it's a small little drill press, which, hey, I'm not going to complain. That works good there. Let me loosen this up. And that will move up. Now, the only thing is I've got the adjustment under here I need to check on. Like I said, sorry about the noise of the neighbor. Looks like about a 19 millimeter. Let's see if it is 19. Maybe 18. I don't know. Let's see. I don't have. That's the only thing is, Harbor Freight don't give you an 18 millimeter in their socket sets. I don't know if they need to. So let's see if it's 11/16. No, it's not 11/16. It's got the only thing would be a 3/4. Because this table's tilted. Well, 3/4 just a little bit. Okay. Alright. So yeah, that's working. I mean, that's loosened up. Alright. Alright, so I got me a, I mean, it is a small little drill press. So, I'll get it, you know, sanded all this rust and everything off of it. Don't seem to be all that bad. Whoa! Loose wrench. Yeah, it probably is an 18 millimeter, and Harbor Freight don't give one. They need to. Alright. So it is multi-speed on this. The only thing I got to do to change it is loosen that. I can pull in the belt. Or not really pulling the, but get the motor pulled in, which should be it should have a better adjustment than this, to me. And I guess it's more or less, yep, all I gotta do is pop this belt up, next groove, good. It's got the different grooves and everything. Close that, turn it back around. Yep, that seems to be fine. Alright guys, well, there's no name on it except where it says made in China. It's probably one of those, definitely an off-brand. So yeah, I'm not going to complain for something being free. Like I say, a little of 110, so some of the things I need to do, be able to do it with. Not bad for, like I said, free. I mean, now if y'all can find a better price than free, you let me know. I'll go there. I mean, if someone's willing to pay me to take one, trust me, I'll go get it in a heartbeat. So, anyways, guys, hey, leave a comment. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me on this. If you haven't already subscribed, go on and do that. I'd appreciate it. Hit that bell notification. That way, you know when I got more videos out. And here in a little bit, I'll be going out to the truck to do a video on all the other stuff that I picked up also. Which those are going to be going to home south from where I live. They're getting donated to Trouble down in south of here. Yeah, well, tell me what y'all think about this. Let me know what you think. All right, till next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.